G'day, you're welcome to Walters Fencing Equipment. We've got our farm model wire winder hooked up to our Vermeer skid steer loader. As you can see, we've got 5 barbs ready to go. We've got it hooked onto the little tab here in the wire winder, ready to roll. So let's fire it up and see what she'll do. Right, we've got a fair bit rolled up there now. Probably a little bit too much actually. Cut this off. And then all you have to do to release it, pop the front of the frame off. And then grab a big roll off. Drop it on the ground, grab the frame, hook him back on, lock it in, and you're done. Ready to rock and roll on down the line. These are available at waltersfencing.com.au.